place to watch is the tracks way down. And you see where the cars are crossing the streets way down that way?
It's Louie. He's coming. He's getting closer. We should see him here any minute
Do
now.
you see the tracks that way where the cars are crossing way down?
Yeah.
Okay, watch there for a headlight. When a train comes from that way, you see the headlight.
I can hear the rumble of the engine.
Okay.
There he is.
Yep. Oh, just engine in the caboose. Oh, he's got some cars too with junk in them.
Oh, he's coming back quick.
Yep. Quite a few cars on the back again. There's the end.
Aw, it's shorter this time. Why is he honking again?
Because there's a road right there. Once he crosses the road, he won't honk anymore. And he's across the road.
Mm-hmm.